Opening scene. Visuals show a rickety bridge swaying over a rushing river, with two figures facing off, and a shout echoes. A soft nasht rises as the narrator's voiceover comes in, tense and heartfelt. Picture two friends on a crumbling bridge, their shouts drowning the river's roar. One step could unite them, or send them tumbling apart forever. Act 1. The shepherds packed in Medina's green hills. Omar ibn Saad and Zayd ibn Malik, both 20, herded sheep as brothers. Their bond, forged in youth, was unshakable. Omar grins and says, "Your flock's fat, Zayd. Mine's faster." Zayd replies playfully, "We'll race them one day, brothers and all." Friendship bloomed. Ukhuwah their strength. Act 2. The markets call the visual shows a bustling souk, with wool piled high and voices bartering. Omar and Zayd sell wool together, their stall lively. A trader eagerly says, "Your wool's fine, lads, 5 dirhams." Omar tells Zayd, "Split it fair, brother, half for each." Unity thrived, division unseen. Act 3. The seed of strife, the souk appears, a trader whispers and Omar listens. Ibn Hisham, sly, offers Omar a deal. Ibn Hisham smoothly tempts, "Sell alone, Omar, your wool's worth more. Why share?" Omar, tempted, thinks, "More for me, maybe he's right." Doubt crept, Ukhuwah wavered. Act 4. The brothers plea evening, a tent glows, Zayd confronts. Zayd paces, Omar avoids his gaze. Zayd firmly says, "The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, 'A Muslim is a brother to a Muslim,' Sahih Bukhari." "Why pull away, Omar?" Omar sharply responds, "I need more, Zayd. Don't hold me back." Words cut, unity frayed. Act 5. The split stall, the souk shows two stalls rising, crowd split. Omar and Zayd trade apart, their eyes cold. A trader tells Omar, "Your wool's top now, no sharing." Zayd says lowly, "He's chosen coin over kin." Brotherhood cracked, pride took root. Act 6. The villages divide, the hills show shepherds murmuring, tension grows. Villagers pick sides, flocks clash. A villager gruffly claims, "Omar's richer. I'm with him." Another, loyal, retorts, "Zayd's fair, I stay here." Discord spread, Ukhuwah faded. Act 7. The storm's wrath, dark skies, rain lashes, sheep scatter. A storm rages, Omar and Zayd struggle alone. Omar shouts, "My sheep, lost in this." Zayd grimly remarks, "Mine too. Where's our strength now?" Nature judged, division cost dear. Act 8. The elders voice, a masted visual. Rain drums, an elder speaks. Sheikh Amr, wise, addresses Omar and Zayd. Sheikh Amr sternly states, Quran says, "Make peace between your brothers." "You've torn us, mend it." Omar defensively replies, "He's the stubborn one." Blame flew, peace waited. Act 9. The bridges test, a rickety bridge, floodwaters rise, sheep bleat. Omar and Zayd face off, flocks trapped. Zayd urgently insists, "Cross together or lose all." Omar coldly commands, "My flock first, move." Pride clashed, Ukhuwah hung. Act 10. The fall's edge, the bridge sways, a plank snaps, Omar slips. Omar dangles as Zayd reaches, panic rises. Zayd desperately shouts, "Grab me, brother, I've got you." Omar gasps, "Zayd, help." Need broke pride, brotherhood stirred. Act 11. The rescues bond on the bank, both soaked, sheep safe, silence falls. Zayd pulls Omar up, their eyes meet. Omar softly acknowledges, "You didn't let me fall." Zayd firmly assures, "Brothers don't." A tie mended, Ukhuwah flickered.